Akiaria ari mwena wa Bomet, mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arimu Nat Wilson Sossion augite thirikari yagirire kuhiga thukuru tene niguo kunina migomo ya arutwo na gucinwo kwa mathukuru.
Let the truth be known today. Students have tension. There is tension that is being passed from school to school. And the longer we extend this term, the more damage we will experience.
Sossion augite maugaruku maria marehetwo ni ministry ya githomo ari hamwe na kuongerera kahinda ga guthoma ga tamu ya keri ni macangire hanene migomo yo.
It is a direct consequence of a bad policy. And so if government comes up with bad policies, then it should take responsibility.
Kahinda-ini okau Sossion oritie kurekerio kwa arimu othe aria maigitio ngono magikuruhanio na guteithia arutwo mugucina mathukuru.
We urge the minister and the government to ensure that teachers who are arraigned on mere suspicion are released immediately without any further delay.
Ari bunge-ini kiumia giki Minister wa githomo Fred Matiang'i ni erega kuga kuhingwo tene gwa thukuru tikio kihonia kia migomo yo. Na akiria kanitha-ini uma kaunti ya Uasin Gishu, munini wa President William Ruto orite anyiti itemi othe maundu-ini ma githomo kunyitanira niguo kuhoreria maundu.
Ni jukumu letu, sio kama serikali peke yake. Ni jukumu letu kama serikali, tukiungana na wazazi, tukiungana na viongozi wa dini zetu, kuhakikisha ya kwamba watoto wetu hawajihusishi na mambo ambayo yanaharibu mali ya shule na kuharibu masomo yao.
Ruto oritie atongoria a dini kuingira uhoro ucio na kuruta mataro maria magirire kuri arutwo, aciari o hamwe na arimu.
Tunataka tuwaulize, especially our religious fraternity, to participate in making sure that the spiritual needs of our children in our schools are attended to.
Makiria mathukuru 70 miena ngurani ya bũrũri icinĩtwo kuma kĩanjĩrĩria gĩa tamu ĩno ya kerĩ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Simon Macharia wa Wangũi.